Augustine was a Christian philosopher who lived in the 4th and 5th century AD. On the fringes of the rapidly declining Roman Empire in the North America town of Hippo, he served as bishop for 35 years, providing popular and inspirational to his largely uneducated and poor congregation. In his last day, a Germanic tribe known as the Vandals burned Hippo to the ground, destroyed the legion made of with the town's young women, but left Augustine Cathedral and library entirely untouched. Out of respect for the elderly philosopher's achievements, he became attracted to the religion of Manichaeism, Gnostic religion that focused on the struggle between good and evil forces. For Augustine, dualism, having a popular Everforce, helped to explain how God could be good and yet evil exists in the world, but more importantly, why he felt so much evil within himself. Having made so many mistakes, particularly of the sexual nature, it was comforting to think that some powerful being might be behind it. The bishop of the city and powerful orator, Ambrose, was familiar with the Manichaeans and knew how to explore their faults. Trained in rhetoric but also philosophy, he introduced Augustine to Neoplatonic thought, popular at that time among Christian intellectuals, offering him enter new ways to deal with the problem of the devil. The City of God was written in response to concern of Christians about the sacking of Rome and the abandonment. The sacking of Rome and the abandonment of all gods, Augustine gave his response through a comprehensive Christian theology of history and a social theory that sought to reconcile the sacking of Rome with the Christian faith. The latter was an idea of the future, a heavenly paradise where the good would finally domain, where power would be properly allied to justice and where virtue would reign. In Augustine's formulation, true justice has no existence save in the Republic whose founder and the ruler is Christ.